Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, well-known, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit, face detection, we have seen 2 to 3 videos on face detection using Streamlit. Then we have seen age and gender classification using Streamlit. We have also seen 2 to 3 videos on face recognition using Streamlit. Then face recognition from picture also we have seen using Streamlit. Attendance system using Streamlit we have seen 2 to 3 videos, and login tutorial using Streamlit, and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really creative. It is about attendance system in different style. So let us go through the program code first of all. Code is little bit lengthy, so it is all about Streamlit. Now I will execute the program. First of all I want to show here my image is there. Yes, my image is there. Here Pranav image is there, JPG image, and this is my image. You can enlarge this. Okay, then okay, fine, this is my image. Now I will execute the program. A nice screen is displayed in front of you for attendance system. Then home, then mark attendance. First of all I will take my webcam image, attendance through webcam. Yes, it is coming unknown. Yes, it is now, it is coming. Now it is coming. Okay. Yes, it is coming, Sanjay Mahajan. Yes. My image has been recognized. Yes. Now what I will do, I will register. For register I will drag the image from home, Sachin, my favorite friend. Then what is the name of the file? Face recognition advanced. Face recognition advanced. Here I will take I will take from here Pranav. Okay, I will take the image Pranav. I will take here from register data Pranav. Yes, Pranav image is taken. Yes, my name is also there and Pranav is also there. So I successfully done with, we can show the attendance a little bit enlarged. So sorry. So I successfully done with attendance system using Streamlit. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Streamlit, on machine learning using Python, Keras, TensorFlow, CNN model, DLIB library, then support vector machine for image classification, then image recognition using ResNet, then Seaborn with emotion recognition using Keras and TensorFlow, and if possible Reactor Node.js, Monstack, full stack, if possible Python with Flask with Monstack, full stack, and many more videos on latest technology. So please subscribe to my channel and watch for more creative videos on artificial intelligence, machine learning. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.